Oh boy, it's been a long time since I'm grounded. What should I do? I know, I will buy the 101 Dalmatians.
Can I help you, sir?
Can I get 101 Dalmatians on DVD, please?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Thanks. Now I got the 101 Dalmatians on DVD, I will watch it right now since my mom is still at work. That was a great movie, now I will make a fake VHS opening. I'm going to make a fake VHS opening to Thomas and Friends Big Big World Adventures from 1987, real, not fake, and also I will make a fake VHS opening to the SpongeBob SquarePants movie from 1965 made by Paramount. Let's make one right now. Yes, I made the 2 fake VHS's openings, now I will go see the Sonic the Hedgehog the movie.
Let me guess, Daillou has made a fake VHS opening to Thomas and Friends Big Big World Adventures from 1987, and also he made the opening to Thomas and Friends Big Big World Adventures 1965, and is made by Paramount.
Oh, those openings were fake.
I agree with Emily, those openings were both fake.
You know what? We should tell Mom about this.
Hello, who is this?
Mom, you never believe what Daillou did.
What did he do?
He made the fake VHS's openings, and also, he brought the 101 Dalmatians on DVD.
Really? Oh my god. He is gonna get grounded for this. I will be there in less than 30 minutes.
Okay, goodbye.
He shouldn't bring 101 Dalmatians VHS and DVD.
Don't worry, Kalo, I will beat his ass when he gets home. Daillou, Emily told me you made fake VHS openings, and you brought 101 Dalmatians DVD.
And what else do you do after that?
I went to see Sonic the Hedgehog the movie.
What the hell?
Oh my freaking god. Daillou, how dare you went to see the Sonic the Hedgehog movie? You know that movie is rated PG. That's it. You're grounded.
That's right. You're grounded for doubleplex years. Now Kalo has something for you.
What is it? Oh no, not nappies, please, everything but nappies. Ouch, that freaking hurts so much. I wish you all dead getting eaten by mummies.
Daillou, how dare you wish us that me, Caillou, and Mommy getting eaten by mummies.
That's it, I'm calling Jack the Vinder guy.
Hello, Jack the Vinder guy here, how can I help you?
Hello, this is Doris Anderson speaking. You never what my son did. He brought 101 Dalmatians on DVD. Second, he made fake VHS openings.
What? Oh my goodness, he is gonna get it. Thank you for telling me. Before I hang up, I will bring everybody to teach him a strict lesson.
Thank you, bye. Dino, there are a ton of visitors who wants to see you.
I'm Joe from Blue's Clues. I'm sick and tired of watching you 101 Dalmatians on DVD.
I'm Steve. I'm so mad at you for making fake VHS openings.
And I'm Josh from Blue's Clues and you, and I agree with Steve and Joe.
I'm Peppa Pig, and this is my little brother George. We're both mad at you for what you did.
I'm Mario.
And I'm Luigi. And I'm Bob the Builder. Daillou. Thomas and Friends Big Big World Adventures was released on the 20th of July, 2018. And second of all, the SpongeBob SquarePants movie didn't exist in theaters until 19th of November, 2004.
I'm cool. We're all mad at you for what you have done.
I'm Helena Marquez. This will teach you a strong lesson. You'll be wearing nappies for the rest of your life.
That's right, Daillou. You will be wearing nappies for the rest of your life.
No, 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 no. I refuse to wear nappies.
Daillou, shut up.
Daily, I will bring all the DVDs to your house so you can watch them every day.
You will be banned from making fake assist openings.
I agree with Lucy. You'll receive spankings for 24 hours.
And I will donate all your memories. That means you are no longer having your YouTube account.
And I will hack your account so you are not allowed to be on YouTube ever again.
The only thing you can eat is raw eggs, Swiss cheese, 3 lags, chestnuts, fried fish, almond cereal, and sticky worms.
No, 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 no. I hate raw eggs, Swiss cheese, tree logs, chestnuts, fried fish, almond cereal, and stinky worms.
Too bad, Daillou. Those
You'll
are
be
all the
listening
things
to
you can
music
eat
such
from
as
now
Celine Dion,
on.
Michael
Daillou,
Jackson,
if you dare make
Prince,
fake
Dolly
VHS
Parton,
ES openings,
Whitney
I will
Houston,
slap you
Alicia
very hard.
Keys, David Bowie, Aretha Franklin, Elvis Presley, Ariana Grande, Johnny Cash, Elton John, Ray Charles, Louis Armstrong, Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, Katy Perry, Taylor Swift, Beyonce, Stevie Wonder, Justin Bieber, Coldplay, The Beatles, and One Direction.
And there will be no computer, no video games, no Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, no Snapchat, no other social medias.
There's no fast food of any kind, no candy, no soda.
I agree with everyone.
Me too. Now start watching those shows not made by Paramount, listening to music not from Paramount, eating those dirty food, or you'll be grounded for tranquility.
Fuck you all. I wish you all dead.
Hey, how dare you wish us to be dead? That's it. I'm gonna beat your ass.